Quality is very important to us. This is the foundation of our success, and we distinguish ourselves from our competitors with our quality. We have specialists, we have trained staff, we have a team, we have internal meetings to coordinate components, and we have coordination discussions with our customers that take place in advance. We have decided that our production is transparent, that we are digital, and that our production is traceable at any time. Quite traditionally, we first surveyed the market, selected where we felt at home, then introduced ERP and MES together, started with a training session, moved on to the standard area, captured the desires of our competitors regarding what special programming they would like, and finally implemented these special programming and optimizations.